Like the wolf pack, Carnivoresque culture is based upon pair bonding, where a breeding pair is supported by the collective labor of the submissive members of the pack. In early human culture, other members of the pack also may have been allowed to pair bond and reproduce in a large pack, but the offspring of the dominant pair would be favored by the group. Like the wolf pack, the omega, the dominant female, chooses the den site. The alpha, the dominant male, marks and defends a territory around the den site. The Carnivoresque uses the first and last letter of the Greek alphabet to signify the opposite poles of dominance, given that these two Greek letters enclose the other letters of the alphabet. Together, the alpha and omega dominate the submissive betas. In Carnivoresque culture, the symbolic equivalent of an erect tail signifies dominance. When a beta protagonist raises its symbolic tail, it is confronted by the alpha antagonist or the omega antagonist. When the desire to create new life becomes stronger than the desire to preserve its present life, the beta protagonist will begin to repeatedly flick his or her symbolic tail. The alpha antagonist or the omega antagonist will meet this flag waving with an attack. If a beta comes to believe that dominants have the power to see everything, and if it also believes it does not have the power to kill a dominant, it will remain a beta and will continue to keep its symbolic tail between its legs. If it should keep flicking its tail, it will be killed or driven from the pack and become a wag.